Welcome to your masterclass part 3. I'm going to teach you guys how to crack the upper, mid, and lower back. Method I learned on TikTok has a combination of yoga moves that might be useful for you.
Raise your right knee, then push up. With your left hand, thread underneath your right arm. Then lay down and use your right arm, go all the way out and stretch and hold for 10 seconds. Now do the same thing for other side. Raise the other knee up, then do a push-up, thread the needle underneath your arm, then stretch out and hold for another 10 seconds.
The next technique we use the child pose to crack the shoulder blades.
You want to slide down and then hold that position for about 10 seconds. Then use your left hand, thread underneath your right arm. Then with your right arm, put pressure on your left arm. And what you want to do is tug for the shoulder blade crack. And then do the exact same thing for the other side. Thread the needle underneath. With other hand, put pressure and hold down tight and tug your shoulder blade for the crack.
Now I'm going to teach you guys how to crack your lower back.
I want you to lay down and stretch one your leg out. And then with the other foot, hook underneath the knee right here. And then with your other hand, push down this way for the lower back crack. Same for the side. This leg straight, this knee bent, hook underneath right here, underneath the knee, and then stretch on this side.
Thank you for watching. I'll see you tomorrow for part 4.